I am Ty with WTI, and this is my linen-like duvet cover set. The reason why I purchased this set is because I'm going for a more natural, earthy look to my home decor this time around. And I wanted to make sure I was purchasing fabrics that looked natural. So I wanted something that was either linen or looked like linen. And I came across this one and I really liked it. I liked the colors that were offered. I went ahead and purchased this cream gray color because for a long time everyone's house was either all beige and then it turned to all gray. So I just wanted to get a color that was a mixture of both, something that looked like earth tones, something that was calming. So that's why I love this color. I love the fabric. I love the way that it feels. It's in my guest room, so I wanted my guests to feel calm when they came back to our apartment. And I just love the way that it looks. If you're also looking for bedding that looks natural, maybe that has earth tones, this one is a really good choice. And that's my point of view.